Hello, it is Sunday, December 21st, year 2014, and a crew is here loading up the last two major pieces of the Minnesota Zephyr tourist train, the locomotives. Boy, it's cold. Sorry, my hands are shaking. It's humid and I don't know, about 20-25 degrees, but I'm not sure when they're going to move these. I don't know if they have the permits yet or not, but here are the last pieces of railroad history are going to leave town. Sorry, my hands are shaking. I'm going to walk around here and hopefully not get in the way or annoy anyone. Pieces of the drawbar. Another special semi-trailer. There's a lot of trucks here involved with this. Just trying not to get in the way. Darn, it's cold. Trailer looks like it's wider than a normal trailer you would see. They got a skid loader here, all kinds of stuff. Again, I apologize, my hands are shaking. My hands are really darn cold. I think I'm going to have to put gloves on or something. Anyway. Not something you do in your average everyday. This is a complicated job. These will be the last pieces of railroad history to leave town. You know, we might get light rail coming to Stillwater someday, who knows. But hopefully I'm not annoying the crew filming here. Okay, let's see, where is he going? Get out of the way. The Stillwater City Council and the mayor, Stillwater attorney can stop whining and crying and bending the arm back of Mr. Peard, who is the owner of this. They threatened to, if he didn't haul it out of town, they threatened to themselves, the city of Stillwater, haul them out of town. And I honestly think that the city of Stillwater didn't have a legal right to do that. They can threaten and harass him, which is what governments do sometimes. But anyway, well, my hands are really darn cold. Thanks for watching. Bye.